Iya, tapusin mo muna yun.
It dies into, yeah.
Good too?
No, this is good.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that's enough. Yeah. Fantastic. Continue doing this until all the ginger is done.
First
this,
this.
first this, second this.
See, I know.
Yeah, you do. Because I'm gonna blend these again.
Are you gonna?
Second time.
Okay.
The ones left.
The pulp.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. I did it.
It's because the blender is smaller.
Yeah.
Yeah. If it was bigger, we would have had a lot done.
Just once. Twice.
3 times maybe.
Yeah.
And this is fresh and natural water, so be good. I think I need another. This will be the last.
Need the plastic or that one? You use that?
Yeah, I use it. Give me the last one. Like everything is interesting, but how to get that as fine, that's what's important.
And after that, after you blender the pulp,
The water and get all the citrus potents out, and then this you can throw away or you can use it for normal tea.
oh I see.
Or keep it in the fridge. You know, pick some, put it in hot water, mix it with honey. You can if you want it. I don't keep it, but if you want it, it's still good.
I think this they use in the Philippines, like you boil and boil and
But
boil.
so this still has power when you keep boiling on the normal. I can even eat this normal and it will give you the same effect as the drink. Yeah, but it's just that on my stomach is gonna have to process everything first. But with the drink, it goes straight into your bloodstream and starts working.
Yeah. Powerful drink.
Seriously, I tell you, I had it when I was little. Fever, cough, flu, this, you know, larynx, like your
Sore throat.
sore throat. This is gone because this has antifungal properties.
The lemon good enough or do you need more lemon?
Oh no, this is good. We're good. We're good with the lemon.
Okay.
It'll make you urinate a lot because all the toxins are coming out. Down here, rest. It's literally in this last final. You kind of have like a smoothie look.
Yeah.
I have the whole night to myself. it's not sweet enough, you add more. It's up to you. Because this is not much, I just got. This is its fine state. You can't get this any finer. Underneath is no base, so you get a juice version.
Wrong way.
Please hold this one. Whenever you put it in the fridge, it loses a little. This is very strong. It's like that. So maybe you put it in, it's sweet today, but tomorrow it will lose its sweetness because it's still fermented and it's getting strong. Yeah, if you feel like it, hot or cold, whatever, ice.
Mine.
Yeah.
Like.
The reason why this is a bit lighter than this is because this closer. This one.
Yeah, and then
But it all serves as a
goes
same
together,
drink.
right?
Yeah, it serves as a safe purpose. Wonderful, all done. Now we're gonna put it in our bottles and